Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Here we'll use dog, bat, and snake to understand the Mixin class. We have an abstract class, and this abstract class would be extended by other classes. So these are the three classes that extend this abstract class: dog, bat, and snake. And these three classes all have one thing in common. These three animals, they all have one thing in common. They all can breathe. That's why we have extended this animal class for each of this class over here. And now we'll go ahead and create another three new classes. Now these three classes are the characteristics of some animals. Like some animals can bark, some animals can fly, some animals can crawl. Now definitely dog can bark, bat can fly, and snakes can crawl. But of course for flying, apart from bat, we can also have birds, right? Yeah. And crawling, a lot of animals can crawl. For example, insects like cockroaches, reptiles, for example, like crocodiles, they can also crawl. Now, my dog class over here has already extended an animal class, which is this one, abstract class. But the dog class now wants to extend this bark class over here. But how can we do it? Well, in Dart, you can't extend more than one class. If you're going to do that, you have to use Mixin classes. So now this class is over here. We want to extend over here. So that's why we have to tag over here as Mixin. If you really want to extend these classes, now instead of using the class keyword, you have to use the Mixin keyword. So we'll replace them with Mixin. Now each of these classes, they can extend the classes they want, they need. And for this reason over here, we have to write like this, the word with bark. Now for dog want to extend bark class, and bat want to extend fly class, so that's why we'll have with fly. For snake class, we would do with crawl. Now you see, dog class has not only extended the animal class as well as it extended the bark class, but it did it with the keyword mixing because it has the mixing class. And then over here, instead of extend, we do with. So that's how you create mixing class and extend them. Now we'll create main function. Now inside this main function, I have created a dog instance over here, which is dog. And now the dog can breathe and bark. Now the breathe is coming from this abstract class over here. And bark is coming from because of this Mixin classes, which we have extended over here. Let's go ahead and print them. So we see the dog is breathing and barking. Now we can take bat or snake, whatever we want, but I'll take snake in this case. And inside this, I'll have this section. Now here we have a method named display method. Now display method is calling breathing and crawling. There's two methods over here. Of course, we could do it over here as well if we want. Here we created an instance of snake class and we are calling the display method. Now display method internally calls breathe method and crawl method. Let's go ahead and run it. For dog, it's breathing and barking. For snakes, it's breathing and crawling. So we could do more things with bat classes you want. That's how you create mixing classes and use them. The idea is if you want to extend multiple classes in Dart or Flutter, one of the classes or rest of the classes, they have to be mixing classes so that you can reuse your code.